Holy cow. The whole car's flooded out.
It was a car. That's what you get for buying a Dodge.
Yep. Buy a truck. Look at that Ford right there.
Yep.
Look at that.
That's a beautiful sight right there. I'm gonna tell you, son. Well, welcome to Lake Waterford.
The newest addition to Waterford.
See, keep on ragging on the country boys. You gotta drive your truck through.
The whole gas station's flooding.
It sure is. The whole gas station is underwater.
They really did get hammered out here.
Yes, they did. Once again, 5-4.